So Google has released Android 14 beta 3, and in this video we are going to talk about mainly the lock screen of the new Android 14 beta 3, which is something a lot of people are going to like. So when you go to your wallpapers and style, you are going to get this new interface right here, and I think it's very great. And what we are getting right here is something that people have been yearning to get on the stock Android, and now we are having a customizable lock screen, which is not really customizable, but it's okay because you get to get some lock screen clocks, and I think it's very great. I really have interest in this one, or I really like this one right here. So when you even pick on any of them, you can choose to change the colors of it by tapping on this colors right here, and it's just going to give you some different colors like you want, and I think it's very great. So let's say you want to pick on this one, or let's say we choose this black and white one right here, and you scroll down, you can just turn this on right here, and then also you can tap on this side, and when you tap on the left side, you're going to be able to just pick on any of these ones right here depending on what you want to appear on your lock screen right here. So we tap on this one on the left to just get a flashlight on the left, and then we tap on this side, and then we are going to make sure maybe we put here a camera to get a camera on the right side. So after you are done with everything, when you lock your phone, you're going to have the clock popping up on your always on display, and when you just tap on it, you're going to see it on the lock screen like this, and you can see the setting you added at the right and left corners too. You're going to see them right there. So in case you want to make this work, what you need to do is you press hold on it, and you're going to feel some haptics, and it's going to pop up to the setting you placed over there. So let's say you want to just change to the flashlight like we did. You see you have it right here, and that is pretty much very cool. You tap on it and it's going to go back, and you can see right here the lock screen is what we've been yearning for, or what we've been expecting, but it's not customizable. Like maybe you can lock the screen and then customize it. When you press hold on it, it's going to tell you to customize lock screen, but you're not going to be able to just customize it whilst you're on the lock screen unless you unlock it, and then it will take you to this side for you to customize anything you feel like you want. I think this is a very great thing. A lot of people are really gonna like this, and when you check out right here, you can even change the lock screen wallpaper right here. You tap on this one, it's going to directly change the lock screen wallpaper, and it's going to keep the same wallpaper you have on the home screen. So it's going to have two different lock screens. So like we have right here, you're going to see the lock screen having a different wallpaper, and then you're going to see the home screen also having a different picture altogether. And I think that is really great. So Google is actually doing great with Android 14, and with this customizable lock screen, I think we are really going to like it. So when you tap on this side, you can just change the color of the clock too, in case you want to change the colors, and then you want to change the size too. You can choose to do it small, or you can put it on dynamic, and it's going to be very great. So either of the two you feel like you want, you can just pick on them, and let me know in the comment section what you think of this new customizable lock screen. So we can just scroll through to check how the clocks look like, and afterwards you can just pick the ones which really fits and which is really going to make everything very great. So you can see right here, this customizable lock screen is super dope. So once you are done, you can just scroll, and then you can just lock it, and you're gonna have your lock screen like this. This is very great. Let me know in the comment section what you think of, and I'm still looking through, and in case I find any new updates or any new changes, I'll make a follow-up video for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.